Hello students, welcome to the project number 1. It is a galactic trip in the solar system. Today we are going to learn the names of the planets and a very interesting information. But first, let's have an activation. Please participate. Ready?
Go.
Go! Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I am the teacher Mario Delfino, and today we are going to practice colors and numbers. It is a good idea to connect numbers, colors, and motions. It is easier for the students to remember, and it's funny. Right? Let's do it. 1,
Red.
2,
Blue.
3,
Green.
4,
Yellow.
5,
Orange.
6,
Pink, 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 pink.
yes, 7,
Brown.
8,
Purple.
9,
Black.
10.
White.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much, and I see you next. Goodbye, students.
Bye.
Solar system.
Sun. The sun is very big and hot. Sun. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They go around the sun. Solar system. This is our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Sun. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the sky. Earth. Earth is our planet. Mars. Mars is a red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn. Saturn is the planet with the rings. Uranus. Uranus is very cold and cloudy. Neptune. Neptune is made of gas. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is our solar system. Review.
What planet is it? It is the largest planet. Jupiter. What planet is it? It has rings. Saturn. What planet is it? It is the red planet. Mars. What planet is it? It is our planet and home. Earth. What is it? It is very big and hot. Sun.
Solar system.
Very good, students. Now, the final activity. Elaborate a drawing about the solar system. It is in color. Don't forget to write the names. And something very funny. We are going to elaborate a rocket ship. The tutorial is at the end of this video. And the link is in the information. Do we have a lot of fun? Take a picture and send to me by mail. You are excellent students. Thank you and goodbye.
Solar system.